Do you want to make money from YouTube Shorts? The truth is, not all niches pay the same amount. But in 2025, there are niches that are crushing it with RPMs, sponsorships, and massive views. In this video, I'm going to break down the best niches for monetizing YouTube Shorts and a few bonus ones that are exploding right now. Let's get something straight. The old YouTube fund is gone. Now monetization comes from ad revenues, affiliate links, brand deals, products or service promotion. But here's the kicker: your niche directly affects the amount of money that YouTube gets to pay you at the end of every month. This simply means that your niche affects your earning. So whatever niche that you are into determines the amount of money that you are going to be getting at the end of every month. Some niches pull in about $0.50 in every 1,000 views of their videos, while some others gain about $5 per 1,000 views on their video. Now, this is determined by the particular niche that a creator is actually doing. The best performing niche for short monetization in 2025 are niches that has to do with personal finance and hustles. Okay, so these niches are the niches that have been tested and seen to be the highest RPM and CPM niches when it comes to short monetization in 2025. Why is this so? Simply because these niches involves high advertisers demand, easy to tie affiliate offers like budgeting tools or investing apps, insanely viral potentials with quick tip based content. Example of a video in this niche is side hustles that made me $100 a day. Number 3 is passive. Viewers watch this kind of videos, they save this kind of video, and they go ahead to use the links that are provided in these videos because they actually want to know about the hustles or side hustles that they can actually do to gain money in a space of days, in a space of hours, or in a space of months, right? So this kind of videos draws a lot of viewers. Not just that it draws a lot of viewers, people tend to rewatch that kind of video, and not just that they rewatch that kind of video, they save it and they go ahead to buy courses that this kind of video provides, and they also go ahead to click on the links provided by this kind of videos or creators that made this video. And what do you think will happen once the viewers and audience are engaging in this video? The creator start getting his money, the creator is earning money. So this kind of niche for short monetization in 2025 brings so much money for the creator. Other high earning niches could be tech reviews and AI tools. Creators or channels that create content about tech reviews, maybe phone gadget reviews, maybe every kind of technology review that you can think of. Channels that make this kind of content about tech review, about AI tools, how to use AI tools for this, how to use AI tools for that, the importance of these AI tools and all that. This kind of content or channels, they make high money, they earn high in short monetization simply because the advertisers are ready to put in so much money in the advertising just for them, just for their videos to be, just for their products to be published or for people to buy their products. All right, so for instance, Apple is one of the biggest companies that pay so much for their advertisements. Okay, so you can imagine if a particular creator is doing review about Apple products, that creator will be earning so much from the videos, not just from the ad revenue but also from the advertisement, and there are even opportunities for brand promotion and brand deals in this kind of niche. Now another high paying niche is health and fitness hacks. A lot of people are now working remotely, a lot of people are now staying more at home to do their works. So this kind of niche, not just this kind of niche doesn't just bring viewers, subscribers, it also brings a lot of gigs, a lot of advertisement gigs, a lot of money for the creator. Why? Because a lot of people want to know what they can actually do to stay healthy even while working at home. A lot of people want to know the kind of food they should eat, the kind of exercise that they can do at home. So this particular health and fitness hacks, this kind of content is one content that is booming. It doesn't just have RPMs, it also has a lot of advertisement potentials in it. So this is one of the high paying niche for YouTube short monetization. The third one is online business and entrepreneurship. A lot of people now sell digital products and they make tons of money from selling digital products. So if you are a channel creator that talks about online business, that talk about entrepreneurship, that talks about online hustle and how to make money online, you will see that a lot of viewers or audience are interested in that kind of content will come watching your videos. You will not just get the money, you will not just get the views, but you have the opportunity to sell your products online. All right, so you have opportunity to sell your digital products. So you're not just earning from the YouTube partner program, you're also earning from maybe affiliate links, maybe collaborations, maybe good promotion or sponsored ads. Okay, so with these different ways you can actually earn so much money from this kind of niche. So this is one niche that is paying well, that the RPM is very high. The fourth one is educational content. A lot of people now go online to learn about language, to learn about brain hacks, to learn about one thing about the other, about one thing or the other. A lot of people now go online to learn about different subjects, different courses. People want to know how they can get different certificates online, about how to go about this, everything about education. And this kind of content brings in so much money, okay, to the creators. There are a lot of opportunities that are also in this niche. So these niches that I just mentioned are the niches that will not just give you money, that will not just make you get that will not just give you a lot of money from YouTube, but you have other means of getting money from this niche, right? Like I said before, you can have affiliate opportunities, promotions, paid sponsorship and all that. So this kind of niches these kind of niches are niches that will get you so much money. They are high paying niche for short monetization. So if you are interested or you are considering going into short monetization, go ahead to check out these niches and know the one that best suits you and how you can maximize it for your own good. Avoid entertainment only content. If your goal is actually to make money on YouTube, avoid entertainment content only. What I mean by only entertainment content, I mean content or videos that you just post only about entertainment. Content like scary movies or scary videos, content like memes, content like pranks, content like memes, viral videos, and those kind of content. If your goal is to get monetized on YouTube, if your goal is to get a lot of money from shorts, rather make use of these niches that I earlier talked about. Pro tips to maximize your short earnings. Number one, add a CTA to a product or link, even in a pinned comment. Hook hard in the first 5 seconds. Make sure to hook hard in the first 5 seconds. Use niche specific hashtag, not just trending ones. Batch produce short in series. Example, side hustle weeks. These are the tips that you need if you want to maximize your earnings in short. Okay, if you find this video very educating and interesting, if you learned something from this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, like this video so that YouTube will push it to more creators like you. Subscribe to this channel and always turn on your notification bell so that YouTube will notify you each time I make a new upload. I am rooting for you and I always love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.